2006, I've walked a winding road, carried dreams in my heart and a heavy load. I've known rejection, I've tasted the pain, I've stood in the sunshine, I've walked through the rain. There were days when the door was closed in my face, days I wondered if I'd ever find my place. But something inside me said don't let go, so I kept moving forward, step by step, slow. And looking back now, I finally see the hardest roads made the man in me. Every scar, every tear, every mountain I climbed was teaching my heart to endure the time. There are one people under one sky, different roads, but the same sunrise. Whether you stood with me or walked away, you're still my brother at the end of the day. So let the old wounds finally disappear, let tomorrow be bigger than yesterday's tears. This is our home, this is where we belong. One people, one Zambia, together strong. I love the ones who believed in a dream, and those who questioned everything I'd seen. I love the young and the old, near and far, the farmer in the field and the worker where they are. The mothers who rise before morning light, the fathers who work till the end of the night. They're serving in a uniform, they're serving the state. Every ordinary heart that helps this nation away. We may not agree on every road, we may carry different parts of the load, but beneath every difference, beneath every name, we share the same soil, the same hope, the same flame. We're one people under one sky, different roads, but the same sunrise. Whether you stood with me or walked away, you're still my brother at the end of the day. So let the old wounds finally disappear, let tomorrow be bigger than yesterday's tears. This is our home, this is where we belong. One people, one Zambia, together strong. If I learned one thing from years gone by, it's that no man builds a nation alone. It takes every hand, every heart, every dream to turn a place we share into a home. So I don't ask you to forget who you are, I ask you to remember who we are. Not yesterday, not the arguments, not the battles, us. We're one people under one sky, different stories but the same sunrise. The past is behind us, tomorrow is near. Let forgiveness replace every old fear. To the youth, to the farmers, to women and men, to those in uniform, let us begin again. To every Zambian, wherever you stand, let us build tomorrow together, hand in hand. One Zambia, together strong. Since 2006, I've walked this road, and after everything, I still believe in our people, in our country, in us.